Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Geraldine DiBianchi. I am a staff attorney in the Senior Law Unit at Coast to Coast Legal Aid. Joining us today is our Executive Director, Patrice Paldino, and from Broward House, we have Patricia Falco, who is the Intervention Manager. Welcome, both of you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you for being here. So, Patricia, please tell us about Broward House, its mission and its vision.
So Broward House is a nonprofit social service agency. We have been around in the community for 30 plus years. We began as a hospice, serving clients who were coming from the hospital to us, kind of as a means to just be safe, be taken care of during the AIDS pandemic. So the mission of Broward House is to improve the quality of life for individuals impacted by chronic health challenges, including HIV and AIDS, and in order to provide pathways to wellness. So we want to provide the hope and the healing to our communities. That's our vision, combating the stigma and to increase the knowledge and prevention in the community for HIV/AIDS.
That is wonderful. So tell us about your target audience, please.
So we have a population of clients of all walks of life. We don't turn anybody away. We serve everybody who's 18 and over for most of our programs. And it doesn't matter the gender, the race, the ethnicity, sexual orientation. We want to provide the services that we offer to everyone in the community.
So you service a great deal of our HIV/AIDS population.
Yes.
And tomorrow is World AIDS Day. Tell us how there is an overlap and how it's impacting what you're doing for us today.
So actually for tomorrow for World AIDS Day, we usually have a vigil out of Hagen Park in Wilton Manors. Unfortunately, this year, due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we really had to make the tough decision to do a virtual vigil instead. So we invite everyone to join us on our Facebook Live tomorrow at 6 p.m. We won't be able to be there physically, but we want to come together in an online gathering to remember, and it's a gathering of remembrance and a gathering of hope. We want to continue to take each step forward to remove the stigma. There's a lot of stigma still faced with HIV, to improve the care, to support prevention. We want to honor the memories of those that we have lost, and hope for 2021 and each year moving forward to take away the power from HIV. So we want to continue to be the voice for those that are out there who needs us, and basically to work towards a future free of new infections, of no stigma, and just making sure that everybody is provided with the care that they need.
Thank you so much for doing that for the community.
So I believe I sent the information, but tomorrow, 12/1, it's World AIDS Day at 6 p.m. on our Facebook Live and also in Zoom. You guys are more than welcome to join us.
Oh, perfect. We dropped that in the comments. Yep.
Yes.
Thank you. So tell us about the programs you offer at Broward House.
So we have an array of different programs. We have a behavioral health program that has behavioral health umbrella that encompasses different programs. We have an intensive day treatment program. Is geared towards individuals who struggle with substance use, and it's an intensive program that encompasses individual and group counseling. It's for 6 months, give or take. It is funded under HOPWA and Ryan White, and it provides the individuals a place to stay, a place to heal, a place to work on whatever struggles they're facing. And we have an amazing staff at our assisted living facility that just powers those individuals through and works alongside with those individuals that come to our intensive day treatment program to lead the life that they want to lead. We have another program that is called Positive Healing. It's an outpatient based mental health substance use program that is geared towards clients who are HIV positive. And it provides, again, a safe space for someone who is struggling with addiction or mental health issues that to come and talk to us and work on whatever goals they have for their life. We have the Care Path program as well under the behavioral health umbrella. It's also an outpatient-based mental health and substance use program for individuals who are 18 and over. It's a racial minority-based program, but we never turned anybody away. We've had individuals that have been referred to us that don't meet the criteria, but we do provide the services until we're able to link them with other resources in the community that would be better served for them. It is a program that we offer testing for. We recommend testing for STIs and also HIV. And it's a 6-month program as well. Basically, the goal of the program is for someone who is struggling with whatever they're struggling with in life, whether it be if they are having issues with family, or if they're having a hard time getting up in the morning because they're feeling down, or they're having financial issues, especially now with the pandemic. A lot of our clients, a lot of people in the community, just they've lost their job, their employment, they're having difficulties with paying the rent, et cetera, et cetera. So it's a program that it's geared towards assisting the clients and working alongside with them to reach whatever goals they have. It could be anything that they wanna work on. We incorporate life skills as well in the program, and you can give us a call or just drop by our Wilton Manors location if you're interested in finding out more about these services. We have a housing program. We have about different apartment buildings in the community that our clients reside in. We have a transitional housing program in our assisted living facility who assists clients who have lost their housing, lost their job. And the whole point of the transitional housing program is for those clients to be there at our facility, get back on their feet, find employment, and find a place to live in order to transition from the assisted living facility. We have a medical respite program at our assisted living facility. And those individuals come from the different hospitals in Broward, North and South Broward. And they come to us because they have further medical cares and they need to just get better. They need further assistance with things as physical therapy, wound care, et cetera, et cetera. And they come to our facility to receive those services as well as to heal in order to transition from there. Here at our client service center, we have our testing program. So we do provide STI, HIV, and hepatitis C testing. Yes, so it's on a walk-in basis. You can walk in over here to our facility in Wilton Manors, and we would have one of our testers from our testing team offer those services for you. We have a runway case management program that provides case management to clients who are HIV positive. And we make sure, the whole point of the program is to make sure that they are able to continue the medical care and make sure that they're taking their medications, they're going to their doctor's appointment, as well as linking them with other resources in the community that they might be in need of. We provide clients with bus passes if they are having difficulties to come to our appointments, as well as to any medical appointments as well in the community. And I'm trying to think. I think that covers the gist of all of the programs that we offer here at Broward House.
Well, I'm going to say that you offer a wide array of services. It must make, and it does make, a tremendous impact on the community that you serve. So my two takeaways are that you have such a multifaceted outreach in terms of who you help and how you help them, number one. And number two, my favorite part was that you said we don't turn anybody away.
Never.
And you're always there to help regardless. and that's very important. So I know you've faced a lot of challenges in the last few months, as everybody else has, because of COVID. How has that changed what's going on in terms of, like you just said, you do testing and your staffing, because you obviously need a gigantic staff for all the different programs you provide. What are you doing in order to face COVID and help your community as well?
So here at, um, at Brower House, we have been impacted by COVID-19. We have still been here in the office. However, we had at the beginning of when the pandemic started, began seeing our clients virtually. So we were able to transition our services from face-to-face to virtual services for our case management as well as for counseling services. Testing, we weren't able at the beginning to do the testing. We are starting to, just, I heard a dog. Sorry, I got distracted.
Sorry, that was mine.
We have started to, we continue to always provide testing on an appointment-based type of thing. However, lately we have been able to have more clients coming into our facilities. Yes, we have walk-ins coming into our facilities and we tend to those walk-ins. I feel like also the clients themselves and also the people themselves are feeling a little bit more comfortable in coming in to see their case manager, their counselor face-to-face. There's some people that actually prefer it. We are taking every safety measure imaginable that we could. We follow the CDC guidelines. We follow ACA guidelines as well. Everybody has to wear a mask. The only reason why I'm not wearing one is because I'm in my office and I'm here talking to you folks. Mm-hmm. But we all have to wear a mask. So we all have to take our temperature, wash our hands as we come in, as well as the clients when they come into our facility. We never stop providing services for our clients. We had to adapt to virtual services. The clients had to adapt to virtual services. We were able to walk them through it. Some of our clients, we have an array of different ages. Some of our older clients did struggle a little bit, but it took a minute just for them to get more comfortable and for us to be patient enough that we were able to assist them in knowing how to log into a virtual video chat with their case manager, et cetera, et cetera. So it's been an adaptation. We have been doing fairly great in the sense of keeping everybody safe. And at our assisted living facility, it's been business as usual. That has never stopped. The staff over there has been magnificent. The staff over here, everyone basically has been doing a great job to continue to provide the services and the quality of care that we do for our clients throughout this time, especially throughout this time, because there's been a lot of struggles. There's been a lot of increased frustration. Like I mentioned before, there's been a lot of loss of employment, loss of housing, et cetera, et cetera. So we pride ourselves that we were able to continue providing a high quality of care to our clients during this time.
Well, we admire you for what you do. And we know that you become frontline workers for the work that you do, especially during this time. And it's valued and it's appreciated. And we're kind of out of time. I don't know if Patrice, can I throw it to you? Did you need to or care to add anything? Did you have a question for Patty? I wanted to bring up the van, but we're kind of out of time. So if you want to mention.
Just briefly, that I've been working with Broward House for 10 years, and I think that they're just an amazing, extraordinary group of people that provide some amazing services. And while you were talking, I was thinking that, we hear a lot of demographics about what's going on with the COVID virus based on race, gender, ethnicity, but I have not heard anything on the impact on the HIV/AIDS community. And I'm actually going to look around now as a result of this and see if there is any information out there, because that's really very impactful upon this group. So the people in Broward are lucky to have Broward House and their staff working for them. It's very important. Thank you for what you do.
Thank you, guys.
Patty, just real quick, because I don't want to leave out this important part. As you know, I'm the mobile justice squad attorney. We have a van, a mobile justice van that goes out to the seniors in our community who are homebound and transportation challenged. We know you have a mobile unit too that goes out to test your people in the community as well. So we thank you for that. And in order for people to access your services, we've put your information in the comments. Is that how they do it? They could walk in, they can call, they could email. Is that correct?
Yes. However, it's best for them to get in touch with us. They can call us at 954-568-7373, extension 7373. Someone always answers the phone, and someone is always there to answer any questions or to link them with resources that they may need or assist them in getting into any of our programs. As well as you have my information there and my extension as well as my email. So whichever way is best for someone that needs the assistance that they're looking for to come and reach us, whichever way it's easier, it's all there.
Thank you so much again for joining us today, for the incredible work you do, the impact you have on the community, for observing tomorrow, for moving forward in the mission of making this an HIV and AIDS-free world. We really do appreciate it. Thank you, Patrice, for being there on my shoulder while we had this discussion. And for all of you out there, please follow us on Facebook at Coast to Coast Legal Aid of South Florida and subscribe to our YouTube channel at Coast to Coast Legal Aid of South Florida. Everybody stay well and take care. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.